Ayun guys, nagluluto naman tayo ng sabaw ng baboy, buto-buto guys. Ito guys, ito na yung niluto ko mga kaidol. Ayan. Niluluto ko na guys, malambot na mga kaidol. Ayan, para masarap ang kain. Mintas naglalaba yung asawa ko guys, nilutuan ko ng sabaw. Ayan siya naglalaba. Nasa CR guys, naglalaba. May hi ka. Naglalaba.
Naglalaba tayo guys.
Ayan. Ngayon guys, iluluto natin yung ano guys, yung gulay. Iluluto natin yung gulay mga kaidol. Wow. Mahilig ako sa gulay mga kaidol. Ayan. Kahit maraming gulay, kahit maraming karne, basta importante ang gulay guys. Ayan.
Psalms 130 verse 7, New Living. Oh Israel,
Nakasali pa yung ano guys, parang kahoy ng ano. Yan ako kadabis magluto guys. Kailangan masarap para lutog bahay. Pwede nito gawin ng restaurant guys, kaso lang wala tayong restaurant. Wala pa tayong kapital guys, pang negosyo. Dati ako nagre-restaurant guys, may sarili akong restaurant. Ngayon lang, medyo na-order tayo. Wala tayong pang kapital.
What characterized God's love? It never fails.
Tapos lalagyan natin ng dalawang sili. Ang kadabis. Hintayin na lang natin pagbukal guys. Pwede natin haunin. Half cook lang.
Mommy and Daddy love them.
Tikman mo nga, May.
Mommy and Daddy will never stop loving them.
Na.
We don't understand the
Lapit ka
foundation
dito.
Sa akin, naglalaba ako eh.
Lapit ka dito.
relationship that we have and how it creates this anticipation.
Magandang, mainit. Dandahan naman.
Yes, we
Napasok
may
yung
not
dila
have
ko.
a house in Forbes Park, but we have a
Ano?
happy home
Aray,
and we have a happy
Sarap?
family
Ha?
because love
Alat na
never
ano?
fails.
Pangit lasa?
Are we still here? Are we still here? I was laughing with Pastor Babes at South Campus this morning. With Brother Manny married.
Ayan guys.
Wala yan.
Okay na guys. Kainan na. Kasi lutong-luto na yung sabaw ko guys.
Because I know many. I look at some of our families today.
Hindi ko pa natikman yan guys kung masarap ba.
And the kids know, we don't know how things are going to be good, but we trust, we put our hope in the fact that our family
Ha?
love us.
Okay na May?
Now, when you take love out, all of a sudden, a woman looks at a man and she has no idea what the future holds. A man looks at a woman, they have no idea what the future holds. Children look at their parents, they have no idea what's ahead in the future. There is no hope. There is discouragement.
Okay na to.
There is
Half
fear.
cook.
There is trepidation.
Yan.
No hope about the future.
Yan guys. Like and share lang sa video natin guys. Kung taga saan kayo. Sana matutunan nyo tong luto ng bahay. Alam naman natin lahat yun. Sana ganito yung gagawin natin. Kapag galing tayo sa pagod ng trabaho. Ganun lang guys. Simple-simple luto lang mga kaidol. Ayan mga kaidol. Watching, like and share lang mga kaidol kung taga saan kayo. God bless you.